As a person, you need to be confident.
Yes.
As a person, you need to be determined.
Yes.
As a person, you need to be courageous.
Yes.
As a person, you need to be successful.
Of course.
As a person, you need to work towards achieving your career.
Yes.
As a person, if I want to become a president as a person, no one else will come and persuade me.
Yes.
But it is me, myself, as a person, I can persuade myself and become who I am, because it is me and my inner ability as a person that I want to achieve this.
That you should have your own opinion and you should respect others' opinion, so that you can have a better understanding what's the thinking process of the person sitting in front of you.
You, excuse me, you.
So today I am gonna talk about you. During conversation,
Focus on yourself, and where is your mistake, you find it.
Find it, guys, come on, it.
Welcome to this contextual talks. Here in this contextual talks, what we are going to do, let me tell you again. One word will be given maybe by me right now. So this team will pick that word and they will explain and motivate us, right? They will keep on speaking and speaking and speaking and stop. They will stop somewhere. Wherever he stops or she stops, you people have to switch from there only. And you do not have to motivate what he does or what he has spoken about. You have to have your own motivation. Let us do operation over every word. If the word comes cap, explain about this cap. Speak about this cap. Motivate us by cap. If the word comes, R, you have to speak about R even. What is R? And let's see that which team is able to motivate us more, guys. Can I give you the word now? Are you ready?
You will pick the member who is going to speak about the topic, or we have to decide?
You already have members.
No, you will decide who will speak about the word, or
No, anybody can speak. First word I'm going to decide.
Okay.
And if you think that, and I'll see that what kind of motivation you pay. The motivating motivation will make you speak, guys. Come on. Can I give you the word?
yes sir.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, come on. The word is yourself.
Myself, first of all, I'll define a true definition of me. A true definition of me, I'm by the name Acham Stella Judith. So myself, if you want yourself, you need to work on yourself.
You need to acquire yourself.
Yes. You need to, if you want yourself, you need to acquire yourself. No one else can acquire yourself, but you yourself, you can acquire yourself. And yourself, you can motivate yourself. You know how you can motivate yourself? One, yourself. You cannot have a negative thought about yourself. Develop a positive thought about yourself, because it's yourself. It's not Aditi's self, like Aditi's self, but it is myself. Myself, Judith, I need to work on myself. First of all, you need to work on your vocabulary, as it is yourself. No one else, not even CAPSA, can work on yourself, but you yourself can work on yourself.
Beautiful.
If you need to be beautiful, no one else can come and apply cream on yourself. You yourself. By yourself. But it is you yourself to work on yourself that, no, I need to look beautiful. I need to look like a damsel, like Cinderella. Yes.
And a very good. Have you done?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. There's a very good line. You don't require anything to acquire yourself. You need to require yourself to acquire yourself. A very good definition and motivation by Judith. Yourself. Let's see that who is able to.
Good morning, everyone. First of all, thanks, Mr. Cap, sir, to having this wonderful opportunity to share this opinion. My name is Ajay Patel, and I'm trainee of WellTalk. Yourself. Today I talk about yourself. What is that? Yourself. Yourself is not a word. It's your behavior. It's your motivation. If you talk about yourself, if you know yourself, what I want to become in future. So this is your this is completely defining your nature and behavior. And if you have a confidence, in yourself. So you can achieve everything with the help of confidence. And if you have a good like communication skill, how to talk with other pupils, how to talk front of the pupil, and if you have a good communication skill that time, so easily convey your message in other pupils and provide a good motivation in your society, in your country, in your families. That's it.
All right, very nice. But you have merged other motivation as well.
Which types of
Where is yourself then? No, you can do this, you can do this, you can do this. You yourself can do this, you should have said. No problem. Decide who spoke well. Now it is time for you to decide your own word and speak about that and stop somewhere, and then they will think about it and then go on.
A very good morning to all. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to present myself. Today I am going to talk about technology. So in this era, 21st century, technology is very important role, and it is playing important role each and every sector and each and every person life. So we should focus the development of technology, and we should increase our wisdom. Some people think that like AI and ChatGPT and Deep AI and DeepSeek. Some people think that AI are destroying our job, but it is not true. You have to increase your wisdom according to the technology, according to the situation, and you have to mold yourself.
Oh my goodness, yourself.
Yes, sir.
Again yourself. Motivation yourself.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Thank you, Mrs. Cap, sir.
Mrs. Cap, sir?
So, Mr. Cap, sir, who has given me this golden opportunity to introduce myself as well as yourself. So, because the word is yourself. Why it is important? Because
What is the importance?
yes, what is the importance of yourself? Because yourself is the medium of how to know your feelings, how to know your path, how to know your knowledge. So it is only the medium. It is the medium, just like a tool. By the help of you can do everything. You can do everything. So first, it is important that you should know yourself, because if you know yourself, that is very important for your success. And yourself, if I talk about yourself, so yourself is just like a guardian for you. If you know yourself by putting some tips, some methods, that you can make it everything, that you can do everything. That's it's my sides.
It's from my side. It's from my side.
Yes.
Side. The word is side. But guys, before this word, let me tell you one thing. Whatever you speak, guys, you need to thrill your language. Do not be informative speaker, yaar. I have been telling this for the last, I think, many months and many days. You need to thrill your language. Do not just speak like Alisha spoke and Tripti ma'am, you also spoke. I really appreciate your thought, the way you have spoken. But enjoy your talks. Excuse me, everybody, I want to say that. Thoda sa maza hai. Enjoy your talks. It looks like that someone has kidnapped you and said ki speak.
We are so much conscious about that. Are we speaking correctly, or do we not?
Yes.
You will be able to speak correctly when you enjoy yourself. Come on. There is nobody going to shoot you, right? Come on, be happy. Side, guys. It's from my side. Side. Come
When
on.
the word comes side,
Huh.
so I already think about a suicide.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Suicide. You know, guys, what is a suicide? When anybody kill ourselves, it means by self. It means suicide. So now in this era, everyone suffering from some difficulties. some anxiety, and some depression. And they always think that there is the only one solution: we have to suicide.
We have
So,
to commit suicide.
we have to commit suicide. So why you are thinking like that? We have to commit suicide. This is the solution for a resentment and setbacks if you are gaining in your life. This is not the right solution. We see that so many students in this era, they are committing suicide, like we see in the quota. There are so many students who are preparing for a JEE and NET. By the way, for some reason, if they are contributing her and himself 100%, after that, if they are not achieving a good marks, they think that we should commit suicide. So it's not a true. If your parents sending you another city to achieving something, it's not mean they are forcing. It doesn't mean they are forcing you. They loves you so much.
They love you so much.
They love you so much. Nobody can love more than your parents. So please respect your parents. Your parents spend their blood, their sweat, their tear on you. So we should also think about your parents. So I would conclude my point. We should not think about a commit suicide.
Committing suicide?
Committing suicide. That's my point.
Point! That's my point. That's my point. The last word. Okay, yeah, you did well, John.
Point is a very much good word. Point in mathematics like a dot. But in level of concentration, if you get a Burley and you see daily 1 point, you after some time you will see what is my concentration. And in another point is the many types of points. And all what triangles make one to another point. This is the C unity.
It shows unity.
Unity. Okay.
Unity. Wow, it's a good topic. Unity. Unity, come on. He has really manipulated with the point. You spoke well, right? Very nice. Unity.
Unity. First of all, we are in Well Talk Institute. If we are not united, there's nothing we can build as a family. There's nothing we can learn as well talkers. Unity combines us together. Unity builds our self-esteem. You know what? If you're not united, even just in a family, if you're not united in a family, the family will scatter.
Oh, yeah.
There will be no success in the family if there is no unity. Unity is ability to bring us together, to make us smile. You see, first of all, like right now, they are deporting people back to their home country. So if you didn't have unity at home and they have deported you back from US, how are you going to stay?
Oh my
How are you going to stay with your family? So unity is a bigger thing in life. You see, if you're not united even at the workplace, you will not be able to achieve any goal. Working as a team, and if you're united, you will be able to uplift and hit the target. Just like us here, we're in this section, we are in assuming that this is A and B, and we are B. If we are not united as B, we cannot overpower A. So, by our unity, we shall be able to speak confidently so that we shall be able to overpower A. If they say, hey, hello, can anyone talk about unity? I say, yeah. Someone at the corner can speak about unity, because unity can bring light. Unity can bring effort. You see, one person alone, you cannot climb the ladder if no one is helping you. Like right now, Mr. Kapsi is like, we are a ladder, like I'm a ladder. So Mr. Kapsi is holding me that, Judith, climb. So once, because he's able to give me that effort, that means we are two people combining our efforts, and our unity, I'll be able to reach the top. But if there's no one pushing me from down, like giving me that unity, that Judith, Please climb. I'm supporting you from down because we are united. We are able to achieve that thing. So unity, we have always to have unity in our mind. If we want to achieve something, be united. And united, we can. Divided, we shall not succeed. When we are united, we can succeed together. Thank you so much. So my next topic is
Together, you said.
together.
Together. Very nice. Fine. So are you united, Team B?
Yes.
They're not united, Judith.
No, we are united. See the bright smile they have in their faces. It shows we are united.
They are united. Hello, excuse me. Are you united, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, together. Come on. Together, the word.
Together, it means unity, like ek saath. So we know that in our India, lots of we can say that there are so many religions. They are fighting each other.
True.
And if they are together, we can definitely build our nation
बहुत अच्छे.
and promote our nation.
बहुत अच्छे.
Nowadays, we can say that we are promoted. They are Hindu, they are Muslim, they Sikh and Isai, and we can say that my religion is good, my religion is good, and promoted our religions. They don't focus how to become a good leader in this world. They don't focus our political parties and our pupils. They focus our religions and casteisms, etc. They not focus how to.
They don't focus.
Yes, they don't focus how to build, how to become a developed nation. If they focus these types of things, unity and together, so definitely we can one day we become a developed nation.
We can become developed.
We can become a developed nation. That's it.
Nation, very nice. Good. Guys, by this contextualization, you are able to develop your wisdom, your thought. You can generate your thought. A prepared topic can be spoken by anybody. A person who never spoke English can also speak when he prepares the topic. But by this wording, you will be able to develop and generate your thought. So it's a very humble request. Do it and participate and go on. Some people are sitting here, they are thinking, excuse me, I cannot speak. No man, go on. Like unbelievable. Ajay never spoke in his batch, right? But today the way he's trying, it is really fantastic. Go on speaking, come on. So the word came nation. Please go ahead.
The word is nation. Everyone nowadays thinking ourselves. They don't think what about will happen with our nation.
What will happen?
What will happen with our nation? When the person think about our nation.
When a person thinks.
The person thinks about our nation. The people of nation think always who person. Like Mahatma Gandhi thought about our nation. And nowadays result of that we all the thought and respect and loves Mahatma Gandhi. Because they don't think about family.
He didn't think.
Yes, sorry. Because he didn't think about family and his own personal life. He thought always our nation.
Yeah.
That's why we should think our nation, and if you want to see a developed country.
Country, all right. Country. Come on, guys, think right now.
Okay, observe. Observe is the ability to concentrate your mind on a particular thing. Okay, and observation is all about engrossing yourself in something, engrossing yourself in having an eye on what's going on and having a deep insight about the situation. And this is what observe is all about. And then coming to observe, in present scenario, you should be more observant. People who are more observant, they are good decision maker. They have deep knowledge of.
Enjoy your language.
they have deep knowledge of the subject. People who are more observant, they are more aware of their surroundings. They make good decisions. They have they have good intuition of what's going to happen, what can happen because of their past experience. So doing observation and can have is a good skill, and everybody should have that observation skills. So I personally have experience that I used to study for long hours when I was in my when I was preparing for my exam and all. I used to study for long hours, but my mind used to be distracted, so that what's going to happen in future and what's going to where will I get my job or not. But I saw many people, my colleagues even, they were not putting so many hours for study. They were just they were playing also. They were doing their activities. They were studying also. But when they were studying, they were so focused that they didn't think about anything else when they were studying. They were very observant. They understood the topic very well. They didn't have that irrational thoughts that will I get the job or not, and what would happen on the exam day and all. So that day I understood that to excel in life, you don't need to put extra effort on mugging up things and understanding things, but you need to be more observant and you need to be more conscious. You need to be more concentrated on your subject. There should be no random thoughts in your mind, and there should be no distractions in your mind. So then I realized the importance of observing things and being so focused on the subject. So in the present scenario, you see everybody is like, everybody wants the work to be done very fast. They want everything at stone's throw. So for that and for if you want to be more productive and you want to save time, you need to be totally engrossed in your activity.
True.
You need to be totally have that knowledge, and you to be very decisive so that you can produce the result in that time, and people prefer you for doing work, and you actually experience growth in your life. So this is all about observe, and that is all what I have to say.
Say. Very nice. You have motivated us. Observation is very important. You observed people studying, and this observation made you observe good things. All right. Say something about say.
If you say other person good talk and you achieve person, but you say wrong.
But you're achieving people.
But
okay.
Yes. And you say wrong and bad words, and other people you abuse, other people you fight and beat, because first of all you say good, you say is good, you other people you think about you, you are good person, you are good man, but you say first of all you say good all persons.
Person. Oh my God, I have a good topic, but I cannot speak. Person. I can be person to say about person. Come on. Yes, shoot it.
Again, once more, thank you for giving me this opportunity. A person, it's me, myself, like I'm a person. I cannot, if you're not a person, I have first of all to give a brief definition about a person. A person is a normal human being. It can, like a normal human being, what I say by a normal human being, some people, they are not meant to be a person because they are not normal human beings in actual sense. Like for instance, a normal human being, who is a person, you cannot transform your agenda from a man to a lady. You see, like these days, a person himself chooses to transform from a man to a lady, removes the breast, and becomes a lady. If that person is considered not a person because he's not in his normal right senses. So a person, me as a person, I want to become a doctor, but no one else can influence me that Judith, go on and become a doctor. But you as a person, you can motivate yourself. You can work very hard towards achieving your goals, achieving your dreams, because no one else can come in your shoe that, yes, I'm putting on your shoe and I need to motivate you. No.
exactly.
Motivation comes from yourself as a person. And it is you yourself, you need to develop your skills, you need to become courageous, because no one else can wake you up from a dream that, Judith, you as a person, wake up and develop and become courageous. No. You as a person, like me as a person, I have totally to think positive, because if I have negative thoughts about myself, I will not achieve what I want. So me as a person, I need to work on my inner self. I need to meditate as a person. I need to sit down, go somewhere, do yoga, meditate about myself, that what do I want about myself as a person? Do I want to become the person who I want, or I just want to become a person, just an ordinary person moving around like a retired man who is already tired? No, you as a person, you are still a youth. You need to focus.
Yes.
Because once you don't focus as a person, trust me, no one else can come and say, Judith, focus as a person. But you yourself, you can say that this is what I've set for myself as a person, and I need to achieve it. And for me to achieve it, I need to work hard towards myself. No one else can come in your shoe today, that today we are having a broadcast or today we are having a conference. You as a person, you need to stand up for your own self. You need to stand up for your own growth. Like right now we are in a group. You as a person, you need to stand up for yourself and your for own growth. No one else can say, yes, tomorrow you spoke very well. No, but you as a person, you say that, I think I tried a little. I tried a little to speak very well. Because, you see, a person, you can easily define the true definition of yourself because you're a person. You can know what is good for yourself and what is not good for yourself. No one else can tell you that, what you're doing is not good for yourself. But you as a person, you would say that, no, this is good for my health. If drinking is good for yourself, as a person, you will do it.
Of course.
Yes, as a person. But if you know drinking is not good, you would stop it. But even if someone else comes in your shoe and tells you, Judy, stop drinking, you will not. But you as a person, you know that, wow, if I take something, I'll just be happy. You see, being a person and being into yourself, you will be able to identify that characteristics, that inner perception. You will be able to perceive something as a person. No one else can come and help you to perceive something in life. No one else can come and help you to become confident as a person. Yes, for instance, Mr. Caps is here driving us, but you as a person, Mr.
It's okay, come on, yeah.
But you as a person, if you do not work out for your own self, if you do not put a lot of effort...
Kapsa can do!
Yes, Kapsa can do as a person.
Yes.
But me as Judith, if I cannot put effort to myself,
Exactly.
I will not be able to achieve anything.
Yes!
As a person,
Yes.
you need to grow. As a person, you need to be confident.
Yes!
As a person, you need to be determined.
Yes!
As a person, you need to be courageous.
Yes.
As a person, you need to be successful.
Of course.
As a person, you need to work towards achieving your career.
Yes.
As a person, if I want to become a president as a person, no one else will come and persuade me.
Yes!
But it is me, myself, as a person. I can persuade myself and become who I am, because it is me and my inner ability as a person that I want to achieve this. As a person, you need to be a person of yourself. You don't need to be a person of a daydreamer. You don't need to be a daydreamer, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
You don't need. As a person, think.
Think about it.
Think about it.
Think about it.
Thank you.
Very nice. And ladies and gentlemen, your quality. You are a person, I'm a person, but my quality can make me personality. Excuse me, person plus quality. You need to have ability and quality to build your personality. So you are a person and one day you will become personality. All right? You ready to become personality? Yes. Celebrate your personality. Yes. First of all, be a personality, right? Okay, great. And today we have the day to become personality for the people here right now. So, hey, what word we got? It. Think about it. It.
Please, go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for giving me this wonderful opportunity. My name is Janadesh Pratap. Word is it. It word make by I and T. And maximum it words used for if you don't know about gender. If you don't know about it is a male or that is female, you can use it. And also you can use for a child, because child I don't know gender that time, I can use child. And also many places you can
teaching us grammar.
many places I can use it.
Okay.
But
Oh yeah.
but sir, because sir no one can tell, to that point I
No, you are telling well, sir. I'm highly motivated.
and it also I can use all time. It means I have many points if you don't know about any gender.
Gender.
And good morning, sir. Thank you for having me. Such a splendid opportunity to speak here. So gender. Gender shows the gender shows the sex, like man, woman, and like that. And right now we know all about that. There are varied discrimination with the gender equality. Because if anyone woman, then discrimination with the as a woman, types of humans. Because and if any one person have man, then like discrimination with the as a woman, man. And gender shows the your ability, I think. Yes, why I'm saying yes.
Okay.
If you think about the man, then you think about that ki I'm a superman as a compared to human. Okay.
Oh.
Yes,
oh.
and because respect as well as I think depend on the gender, respect
You are the
every.
Superman, right?
No, but but think about that. Suppose if I am talking about like if I will go anywhere for fill
If
up
I
the
go anywhere
yes for the fill the form, then
for filling the form.
yes sir, that time the write down on the
written?
like sex which male or female like that. If you have a male, then sometimes there is no give the reservation, because if
They don't give reservation
yes
because
sir,
of male.
yes sir, reservation as well as not respect as compared to women for a gender equality.
So from today I'm going to mark on female.
No.
When I fill the form, I have to put female so that I can get respected actually, right? Is he female?
No. And I think about that, you know all about that, gender is define the source of a person.
Person.
Yes, and yeah, that's all.
That's all. All. The word comes here, all, guys.
That's all my.
That's all. All. Excuse me, everybody. All.
The word all. Nowadays in this world, everything is important, but think everything is not important for all of us. Everything is important. Playing, laughing, smiling, and eating. Everything is important. But everything is not important for
all the things are not important.
all the things is not important,
not important.
for all of us.
Exactly.
Because when we focus all the things, we will distract. We can't focus anything, and in the result, we can't get anything. A single position, a single result. We can't.
Very good motivation. बहुत अच्छे.
Can't.
So stop focusing on all the things.
Yes. So stop focusing all the things. I know all the things is good, great,
All
and
the things are good.
good, but we should not focus all the things. We should focus only one things whatever we want to get in our future.
Future. Very nice. Future. And remember, when you say one thing, many things, plural and singular. Okay. Yes. Future.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity to speak and present my thought in front of all of you. So, I have to speak on the topic future. So, what we are doing right now is only for future. We want to secure our future. We want to achieve something good in our future. So, it is very important to work hard in the present time. Whatever is happened in your past doesn't matter at all. You have to build your present. You have to build your character to enhance yourself, enhance your character. You can able to achieve the thing you want to achieve in your future. So it is very important to motivate yourself all the day. Whatever the situation is not a big deal. Whatever you are facing right now, this is not the thing that you have to stuck on it. You have to get over and overcome with your situations, and you have to work hard for your future. And it will definitely, if you overcome, if you will practice every day to to enhance your present, then you will definitely achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life, and your future will definitely be in that position that you want in your life.
Life, a good word. All right. Okay, yeah, Judith herself wants to try. Okay, come.
Good morning, all parents.
Good morning.
Good morning, all parents. My name is Mohammad Kamruddin. My word is life. Life is very important in your life. If you want to achieve anything
In your life.
So life is very important in your life.
Yes.
Without life, you cannot achieve.
I am giving this example in this life. Yes, I am live here. You are live in front of camera.
Like life related to your goal. I want to achieve anything. So like I want to become a businessman in my life. So first of all, you do hard work and focus your work. And in my past life, I achieved lots of problems. So say that life according to your increase your age. In life, lots of people belong to poor families. So living on life, how to manage your life, how to achieve anything in life. So I want to say, life without hard work you cannot achieve.
Achieve. Prince, everybody, achieve. This team is doing amazingly, Come on.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
And thank you, Mr. Capser, for having me this wonderful opportunity and achieve. Guys, whatever you want to achieve. So here are many people who want to become a cabin crew, who want to become a engineer, doctor, and everything. But that is not your achievement, guys.
Oh, excuse me.
Your achievement after becoming an engineer, what you do, that is your achievement.
Oh, okay.
Become a trainer is your not achievement.
Becoming.
After becoming trainer, what you will do, that is your achievement.
Arey, yeah, zabardast yaar.
So achievement, it's mean people are thinking that yes, I want to become a prime minister, I want to become a CM, but after becoming, what they are doing corruption in our society. So they should think, I will achieve this thing, but for the good things. I will become a trainer, but after becoming trainer, what I will teach to the student, what I will train to the student, that's matter.
Achievement, and
that is your achievement.
Exactly. Achievement. Again, achievement, guys. Come on. Same word. And guys, I'm really happy
Right now, the way you're building your thought and conveying your message is really incomparable. It's really inexplicable. Come on, guys, keep it up, keep it up. Achievement. Achievement, guys, come on. Ladies and gentlemen. Achievement. Ishant wants to try. Push yourself, come on, guys. Achievement.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
This is me, Muhammad Irshad Siddiqui. I'm talking about achievement. We came here from too far because of achievement. We are educated we belongs to many backgrounds like bachelor degree, master degree. Why we are doing for any foreign country and we are going to like South area and we are coming here to Bihar to like Lucknow in UP because of we find the achievement through a goal, through our skill to develop our knowledge. That is called our achievement. When you find a goal and you have a thing you can achieve, you can develop your mind in any sector you can do. Because I have completed my bachelor of degree, I have quit my job. I was quit my job in software development now, but I have finding a job. But
I have found a job.
I have found a job, but they don't getting a. But I'm not getting a job because why? I'm thinking I'm not skilled, but I'm trying to skill in focus of like I'm develop our personality development. So that's why I can achieve in anything. When I good in communication skill, I can achieve anything.
Very nice. बहुत अच्छे. Anything.
Nothing is impossible, and anything is possible. So, my dear friends, we can do anything.
Of course.
By yourself, your determination, you can do everything.
Anything.
You can do anything.
Of course, you can say anything.
And if we go and to see something and think about, oh my God, this is not good, this is very tough. But at the time, my soul said, no, you can do. You can do anything. You must try it.
Yes.
So, anything. Don't say, I don't know anything. You don't know everything.
Exactly. You don't know everything, but you know.
But you know
Anything.
and something.
Yes.
So, there is no power. There is no power to defend you. There is no power to defend you. But anything is encourage you. That is your power. That is your willpower. That is your willpower.
Anything can motivate you. Come on.
Anything can motivate you.
Wait for anything.
Wait for anything.
Anything. Oh my God. Anything. Anything. You can say anything. Tripti ma'am, you have said anything. What is going on? Anything. Again and again anything. Soumya, anything.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. My name is Soumya and thank you sir to give me this wonderful opportunity. And my topic is anything. So yes, just my sister is saying anything we can do and anything is possible. So you know that anything requires, if you want to achieve something, so it requires struggle, hard work, sacrifice. Then you can achieve anything. Anything, and you know guys, anything is not a word. Anything is a kind of your
Yes.
anything is your hard work. That if you want to, how I say,
God, you can say anything.
Anything. Yes, anything. To achieve anything.
If you want to achieve anything, so you should do hard work, and that's all my side.
That's all?
That's all from my side.
Side. Again side. Come on. That's all from my side. 1, 2, 3.
Mannered person. If you are the good side, means good behaviors, friends, that side, you will be definitely become a great like APJ Abdul Kalam, Swami Vivekananda,
Very nice.
and Mahatma Gandhi. You will become, but it's depend totally on your side.
On
Which
your
side you are.
You are. R. 1, 2. Achha, you're speaking? 1, 2.
Are we doing the right thing right now?
Very nice. Wow, wow. Yes.
Are we doing the right thing now? What we are doing. We have to think about it. That what we are doing.
Are we doing?
Are we choosing the right thing? Are we going in the right path? What we are doing right now? We have to analyze our life. We have to analyze our activity.
Yes.
That what we are doing is a right or wrong. And if it is not right, then we have to find the solution. That how we can go in the right path. Because no one is going to help us. No one is going to find the right path for us. We are the one who can find the right path with for our own self. So we have to find it, and we have to, everyone makes mistake. This is not the problem. We find the solution. We have to be positive always. Then we have to find the solution. This is the matter. So we have to always be motivated. Whatever the thing is going, we have to firstly think that are we doing the right thing or wrong thing.
Think. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you once more. Think, it basically means how you are going to perceive something, like how you are going to perceive, like perceiving something. So think basically means how you will be able to analyze that thing and bring it into interpretation and give it a real meaning of that thing. So think, you have to think as yourself. No one else can be able to tell you that think.
That thing, of course. Yeah.
Yeah, no one else can be able to tell you like, Judith, think. No, you have to think. Think ahead. Think.
Judith, the word was think.
Like think.
Think, not think.
Oh, think.
Oh my God!
No,
That was think.
No.
That was think. Clever. You misunderstood. She was saying that we have to do think. Girl. She was talking about thing actually, right? Think.
Yeah, like maybe my pronunciation was different.
But you're saying you have to think. Good.
Like you have to think about something you wanna do.
Give me back. Our clap is back.
Yeah.
She's right.
Like,
Okay.
What I was trying to explain, like
You have to think.
Yeah, you have to think about something you want to do. Like think, you have to think. Like THINK. You have to think.
Yes!
Yeah. You have to think. You have to first put it in your brain and think about something you want to do. Because if you cannot think about something you want to do, you will not be able to do that thing. Anything is possible. Like everything you do, you have to put effort. Everything you do, you have to first say that, yes, I must do this thing. If I want a tomato, I need to buy that thing. Because I cannot persuade you that, Judith, go and buy a tomato. No, if you don't want that thing, you say, no, I don't want that thing. Why are you forcing me to buy it? So I think, basically...
Yes, sir. A thing.
A thing basically your personal desire, like your inner desire to acquire that thing. If you go in the market and you don't want to buy anything, you say, no, I don't want to buy anything in the market. But if you want to buy something in the market, you say, I want to buy a tomato, I want to buy sugar cane, I want to buy a cup. Yes. Because it's a thing you desire to buy it. It's a thing, it's a commodity that you desire to acquire it by yourself. And it is a thing that you really put in yourself that, no, I must get that thing. You see, today, I say, no, I must use Metro. I said, no, I don't like that thing called Metro. But I like footing so that I be adventuring, I be seeing everything. I see someone beautiful walking on the way, I say, I admire that thing.
Oh.
Yeah, no one can persuade you to do something. It is you yourself. You can persuade yourself that I want to do something. If you cannot set yourself that you want something, you want a thing, you cannot get it. But if you want something, if you want a flower, some of us did not receive a flower because we say, no, I don't want that thing. But if you want that thing, you can buy it for yourself. A flower is just 200 rupees, so you can buy it for yourself.
You can buy that.
Yeah, you can buy it for yourself.
Yes.
So I think basically that inner basic need you need for yourself. Because I can need a shelter, that I will want a thing, but I don't like the thing. But if you like it, you say, yes, I like it. I like this apartment. Yeah, I like Wellstock Institute because that thing, there's something which is inspiring you from Wellstock Institute. Maybe the podium is saying, I like that podium. I like that thing. It looks beautiful. Red shines very well. Yeah, something is motivating. A thing is motivating you in certain thing. Like a thing can motivate. If there's nothing which can motivate you, that means you will not be able to get that thing. Like right now, we are seated. If you have not given you a thing like, come on, sit here. You say, no, I don't like that chair. I don't like that thing. But if you like it, you say, I like it. Just like they're telling you, explain about something, you say, no, I cannot explain about that thing. You have to think, analyze, and explain about that thing. So, my last word.
My last word. She didn't stop. Okay.
Yeah, I did not stop. I did not
So.
So, let's talk about it.
So, oh my God, stop her. Come on. 1, 2. Oh, yeah, 3. So,
How to show your power, how to show your talent, how to show your ability. Boost you, boost your confidence, boost your confidence and show to the public and express to the public.
yes, public.
Yes, public and don't defeat.
Oh my God.
And don't defeat.
Public is speaking,
And don't
yes.
defeat.
Yes, don't defeat.
That is.
And don't defeat. Oh, excuse me.
Yes.
Never lose.
Yes, sir.
Never give up.
Never give up. Give up.
Give up. No, the word is give up actually, not up. Give up.
Every person have a own challenges. Every person has a own challenges to do something.
Yes.
But you don't have like never give up. Whatever you want to do something.
Yes.
And if you give up, then you life give up. I think.
My God.
Yes. And second thing is, I saw many people are like legendary person.
Yes.
He also said that ki
They also say, कई लोग हैं ना,
they also said that ki like कुछ भी हो जाए but
come what may.
Yes,
Come what may.
Come what me, but you should like focus on yourself.
Yes. And I am focusing on myself.
Okay, and think about yourself. Ki where is your mistake? That's why you failed. So you should focus on your like.
You should analyze yourself.
Yes, you should analyze yourself and
never give up.
You should analyze yourself and increase your mistake where you are doing.
Where you have made a mistake.
Yes, where you have
made a mistake.
So that's all. I said you should focus on yourself and where is your mistake, you find it.
Find it, guys. Come on.
And you should speak well. And sir, if I give one word and you fastly you speak, if you not speak fastly, sir, you will not give, sir, you will not give this cap. this cap.
कहना क्या चाहते हो? Yes. हाँ, very nice, very nice. If you do not speak quickly, sir will give you this. But sir will give you this, green zone.
But no problem. Cap, it.
If you don't speak, then you will get it.
I have what it. That's why I explained it.
Oh,
Yes.
okay, I understood this.
Yes.
It.
It is price.
It is price? It's priceless. Say, it is?
Priceless.
Huh?
It is priceless.
Priceless. Priceless. Oh my God, it's a beautiful word. Come on.
Love is priceless, and somewhere love is something for accepting you. Like you have to give something for a love. So, which relation is bad? Which relation is good? Priceless relation, like whatever our parents love us. Parents love us, and those relation which in this generation young youth are doing, like
Today's Valentine's Day. No, yesterday. Oh yeah, it was yesterday. Yeah, this is important. Parents' love is important.
This
Of course,
is
both.
important. Yeah, parents' love is important. So according to my point of view, both are important. Where there is a priceless love, those are important. But if you are paying something, if you are engaging in a haram relation, like if you are doing something wrong, which is not better to like in society of view and in a God of view, if you are loving someone, so you should go with the right way, not a wrong way. You should not distract our path. If you are loving someone and he and she wants to do for something, so you should not do like whatever they want. You should think about what is the right and what is the wrong. So that time, if the person live with you, you can say that this love is priceless. That's the point.
That's the point. All right. Yes, Muskan.
The point in English it's used to full stop as a full stop. Okay, and in general perspective in philosophy we use point as when we want someone to focus on something. That's the point.
Point to be noted.
So this is the point. Okay. So when it comes to point, we need to have goals in our life. We need to focus on some points that are important if we want a successful life. You should prioritize things. You should make points for yourself. You should analyze yourself, what you want in life, what are your weaknesses, what are your strengths. You need to choose your career accordingly. And when it comes to point, you should respect others' point of view, and you should have your own. That's your identity. Okay, so having your own point of view for life, for everything is important, and simultaneously respecting others' point of view is also important. So when it comes to point, you need to also focus on each and every point in life. You need to be very observant. You need to be very very vigilant about everything, and that's all.
You should rap on the difficult word. Yeah, that is what I was talking about. Yeah, come on, something like that.
Okay.
Yes, this point that I was discussing about, and come on, go on.
Okay, this was the point I was discussing about, that you should have your own opinion and you should respect others' opinion, so that you can have a better understanding what's the thinking process of the person sitting in front of you.
Excuse me, you.
So today I am gonna talk about you. During conversation, whatever people in front of you stand, we can consider that you. Sometimes we, during conversation, whatever people stand in front of us, and we are talking to each other, they are fitting reply, like a muh tod jawab. So it is not important for if you should understand with the person you are talking, like a elder and younger, and we should respect our elder and younger also. We should don't disrespect to all. So that all, sir.
All.
So that
All. I'm talking about all. All is well,
So why you all are here? You are all here because of enhancing your skill and doing something in your life. That's why you all are coming here. So that's why I'm saying that if you are doing something in your life, so you have to do something. So that's why you are coming here. You all here.
You all are coming here.
Here, you know all about that. If any one person go anywhere, so motive, just like we are here together for the public speaking. So it shows here comes from motive. Really, because when I wake up in early morning, then first motive to
Come here.
Come here. Yes. So here is very.
So here?
No.
To come here.
Here.
Okay.
So here together for the like competition, each other fighting each other, fighting each other.
Each other.
Each other. So each leading each other. Whenever we loves or whenever respect each other, so get everything and knowledge each other. So we should respect each other.
Each other.
Thank you. Moment of silence. Thank you. Vanish, you disappear like out of the blue. You disappear. Yeah. Like within a second, a minute, you're already gone. No one can even notice like like your presence, but you disappear like wind. You know how that wind? You've disappeared. Wow. Yeah. So vanish, basically, it means like when you're in a certain place and from nowhere you just decide to take yourself without saying people that have left. No, you just go, vanish like wind. So vanish.
Yeah.
So basically, we have to not to always vanish, but we have to always like initiate people that, you know what, I'm intending to do this, because once you've, like right now we are in class, and once you vanish without letting me know, how about if anything happens you on the way? How shall we be able to identify? How shall we be able to notify each and everyone that, you know, Judith got lost because she didn't know Well Talk Institute very well, and she got lost just because I vanished without notifying anyone about my whereabouts. Like, man, I'm going back to hostel. So I always encourage that we should not just vanish like you're in a dream. No. You should always at least tell someone, your immediate friend, your immediate relative, that, you know, today I'm in such and such a place, and if anything happens to me, at least each and everyone knows. But when you just decide to disappear, to vanish like wind, it's not good.
Exactly, without information.
Yeah, without proper information, without proper telling everyone that I'm going to such a place, it's not always good. And vanish, it's something like it's done like you are like a thief. Because if you're not a thief, you not just vanish in thin air, like whew. No. You get what I say? Like right now, if I'm given this opportunity to speak out what is in my mind, and I just vanish, I just disappear like wind. Yes. It's not right. At least I can say no. Let me stand up and do something. Let me stand up and speak. However much I have fear in my heart, but no, I should not opt to vanish. I should stand up for myself, speak for myself, speak for as a person, because I don't need to vanish to like display. It's like displaying a bad character to yourself, like your inability to do something. Like right now we are having this session, and if I'm given that opportunity, that chance, that please tell us your views, and I just vanish, what comes to someone's mind? That that girl is terrified with fear. But if you decide to say that no, I should stay and try all my best, we should always not vanish, but we should always try our best. We should always try to bring the best of ourselves, because once you try to bring the best out of yourself, you will be able to demolish that spirit called vanish.
Exactly.
And vanish has made most of us not to achieve what goals we have always set for ourselves. Imagine when you are given a task to do something and you cannot do it. Put yourself in someone's shoe that if I vanish, like if I'm a president and I'm given this opportunity to address the nation, what will the nation have about me? What image will you portray for yourself? At least have that character of always trying, like climbing the ladder. You climb one step, second step. Even if things don't work out, don't vanish from the last step. Don't vanish from the seventh step of the ladder. Hold it firm. Like, no, man, even if the wind is too strong, I cannot fall. I have to hold this ladder tightly so that I don't vanish. Because once you vanish, your image, your appearance, your reputation will be at hostage. You know what I mean at hostage? You will be locked up in some dirty room. But once you say, no, I should not vanish, your image, your personality, your character, your ability, your emotions, your influence, your inner desire, you will be able to achieve. Just like an example of Mr. Cups. Sorry for the pronunciation.
No, it's okay, it's all right.
If he vanished when he was starting Wellstock Institute at this lower initial stage, trust me, ladies and gentlemen, we would not be here right now smiling with these brilliant faces.
But I did not vanish.
But he did not vanish. He went ahead and acquired this beautiful auditorium. You know what? It's because he did not vanish at the initial stage. So you see right now, he's like our a child because the success is increasing or decreasing. No, the success is increasing. You know why? Because he did not vanish.
Yes!
He did not vanish. So us, ladies and gentlemen, each and everyone at our different capacities of life, don't always opt for that decision and that mind that you should vanish at one point or at one step in life. Know that you are destined for success, not just vanishing like wind.
Wow. Very
so,
nice. The word is... Yes. Juti, the word is... Yes, guys. You have to speak word.
Okay, it's just
No,
like
she's giving words.
So let me put it in a small narrative, like in a small, it's like a wind blowing you like wind, like you go without anyone noticing you. So like my last word I would say wind. Win. Yeah, win.
Yes, or win.
So in this life and in this era, everybody wants to win.
Yes.
Win.
Yes.
Because win is comes about achievements. If you want to achievements, then you will win. So because of win, you have to do something. You know, because if you have a dream and if you have the love for it, just keep working, just keep doing it, just keep enjoying it. There will be a lot of situation, there will be a lot of hope and sleepless nights, there will be a lot of situation where you hope for hopeless situation. It is a very hard, but if you do it consistently and hardly, one day you will be definitely sitting with the favorite people that you admire, that people admire you. That time you will win. That time
admired you.
Yes, sir. People admire you. So that time achievements is not, success is not only achievements. Achievements is like what you have, you should happy with that, what you have. So don't go for any race, just become satisfaction. What comes make you satisfaction. If you are satisfaction, then you can win. So my last word is your satisfaction. Satisfaction. Satisfaction.
You still have time. Wind. That was wind. 1, 2.
Okay. We need to learn so many lessons from wind. No, because nature has their own process. The sun rises, the moon rises in the night, and you see that no matter what's the environment, the wind continues to blow. The wind doesn't give up. You would also need to have that characteristics that no matter how harsh the environment is, it's thunder or lightning, the sun rises next day, the moon rises next day, the wind keeps blowing, the water doesn't stop, it keeps flowing from the stream. So you need to learn from the nature, you need to learn from the wind how no matter what are the difficulties in its way, it keeps blowing, it keeps blowing, it keeps blowing. So I want you all to introspect that are you in the same direction of your life? Are you not giving up any moment, or are you giving your 100% or not?
No is a good word for the for negativity. Suppose we are all student here and many times expend with the mobile phone. So sometimes you comes to mind to using the mobile phone. That time you can use the no. I don't use the mobile phone. So no is very important word, and no, according to me, it's my opinion. No is a incredible word. Incredible word. Sir, incredible word. No.
Word.
Yes. Incredible.
Please, you said incredible. No is incredible word.
God give us wise, but we have to beautify our words. By the beautify our words, we can win anything. Word is very important, because if you are speak politely, if you will behave politely with someone, and your word is very matter. Because for example, I am saying Vikas idhar aao, Vikas come here. So it is a word, and if I say the same word, Vikas come here, this is also a word. Yes. So that's all about myself. Make your word like a weapon. By weapon you can win.
Win.
For winning, I can do anything. For winning.
Yes.
But if you want to win, you can do hard work. If you want to win ourselves, you will have to do hard work. Win for other person winning, we go any other ways for winning.
Oh, yes.
Wrong way.
Exactly.
It is a wrong thing also and a good thing also.
Right.
This is your choice.
Of course.
Winning. That's
very nice.
Winning. That's it.
I'm talking about ITCAF. ITCAF shows the capability thinking, and shows our I am winner. That is the value of it. It means the calf. This calf is not only put on the head and shows in front of you and all.
Are you also sure?
Yes, sir.
No, the cap is being snatched. I'm sorry. Your cap is. Hello, camera. Excuse me. I can. Guys. Don't divert people. Don't divert people. You can make pronoun of anything.
I think
it. You can make it.
I can it.
Okay. It.
It's. I think it means very respectable words. You can say.
Why so?
Why? Like
It's right. Wait.
It means we don't know I want to say this person he
Or she.
See. In our dharma, means it means very good word. Om, like Om.
Oh.
Om. Om means not a she, not a he.
Wow! 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 Emotionally, you have blackmailed.
At that time we can use it. At that time we can use it.
No!
Sir, I want to say
Wait.
it means.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, I do not have knowledge about it. Om Namah Shivaya.
No,
We
sir.
say
Om, only for Om. Only
Okay.
for Om. You can't say, I'm not, I don't
Om
want to talk.
Wait.
I don't want to.
For girl we say she.
No.
For boy we say he. But in Dharma you said Om.
Om, only
Om
for.
is for it.
Yeah. Not it means it. Not a gender she, not a gender he. Only for it. Only for
Why did you say Om here?
Om. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Definition of Om.
Om means very powerful word. Not a she, not a he, not a she, not a he. Not a she, not a he.
But I think yes, he's right. See,
Yes, sir.
the pronoun of Om would be it.
Om.
Yeah, Om. It's a beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Om means powerful word.
Yes. See, Om. It is powerful.
Yes.
Om. It is.
I'm
it.
not-
Please. All right. Yes.
I'm not saying Om Namah Shivaya. I'm not saying Om.
Sir.
But I'm.
Sir, kuch bhi ho, you are looking smart. In this cap, you are looking smart. Yes, kuch bhi ho.
But sir, why did you give second time?
Second time?
Yes. First
Where?
spoke Basanti.
Are you Basanti? He is Basanti.
Who told you, sir? I'm not.
Are you Basanti?
I'm Mr. Amarjit, sir. Who told you?
Where, huh? So where did you stop?
No, sir.
It's all right. Come on. Yes. Powerful. 1, 2, and
Powerful. So
powerful. Yes.
everyone have to be powerful.
Has to be.
Has to be powerful. Without power, we don't able to get respect in the society. If we have power, either we have lots of money. If we don't have power, we don't have position, that we are not able to achieve that much of respect, value in the society. So we have to achieve that power, that position to achieve the value, to achieve the respect for ourselves in the society, because it is very important in this harsh world to survive with that dignity and that respect. So we need to be powerful in our life. And I want to say one thing that
How manipulating this? Oh
Yeah,
my
follow,
God.
jaldi follow. I want to say one thing that
Powerful is very important. Yes. yes. Come on. Try to stress it. Oh!
I want to say one thing that power is very important thing in our life. So we have to do our best to achieve that value and respect. So I want to ask to all of you, are you powerful? But I want to tell you that I am.
What I am? Anything.
Sir, I ask them that are you powerful? I want to say that I am.
I am.
Am.
One, two. Am. Hard. Motivation should be accurate.
Am. I am, it's mean
Yeah,
I am.
am,
Yes,
am.
am. Am is indicate for the single one. And do you know, suppose if I am to do something, whatever I want, am indicate.
Am is enough. Yes.
Yes.
Single, huh?
Yes. Am indicate for the, suppose, do you know, like sun, moon, and like sky is the single one. Single one indicate for the am.
Why, he's right.
Yes.
He's right. He's right.
And
likewise.
Yes.
Likewise.
Yes. Yeah, likewise. Suppose everyone. Sir, listen.
I will tell you.
Sir, everyone has a special on your. Suppose I am. It's indicate for the namaz. You are indicate for the you are indicate for the trainer of the will talk.
Yes, I am,
sir,
sir.
am symbol of the like your identity.
It shows identity.
Yes, sir.
Very nice.
Identity. It's
Good.
Yes, identity.
So I am enough.
Yes.
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 Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. Yes. One, two. Yes. Yes.
Yes is very important because if you get any opportunity in your life, you have to say yes.
Yes.
You don't have to take a back seat and you have to just say no, I am not able to do it. If you say yes in your mind, then you will be able to get that opportunity, and you, whatever the thing you achieve doesn't matter, because there are many opportunities will come in your life. You have to say yes for every opportunity. You don't have to procrastinate. You don't have to procrastinate in your life. One yes can change your life. One yes can.
Wow.
One yes can give you the thing you want to achieve in your life. So say yes. This is very important. So to say yes in your life. So that's it.
One. Oh, it.
Sir, can I use it?
Of course.
No, this. This.
It.
Cap is mine.
It. Cap is mine.
If I say this cap is mine, so I have also power to say that it is mine. So if you absorb that it is a power, word is a power to exchange any word.
Oh, exactly.
How I say?
Yeah, you're right.
Exchange any word. So we are also become to like that we have also power to exchange anything in our life. So if you want to become a power like it, so you have to do efforts. Like if you are not, you have to do your determination, your hard work. So this is all. So
we are not satisfied, but who spoke now? Oh my God!
okay.
She couldn't motivate us.
Sir, I motivate
Other person can't do it.
Yes, sir, I can.
No,
I can use it. Firstly, let me say whatever I
Why
want
would
to
you say, man, Basanti?
Because
His name is Basanti, you said?
It's my team.
Why would you say?
It's my team because it's responsible.
It's your team. But she got stuck, man. Now it's their turn to say.
Okay, as you want.
It. Still you have to say it.
But you should
It. One. It. 1, 2. It.
Sir, as sir told that it is used for non-living things. So we think that non-living things is just don't have emotions. They don't. But I want to tell you. This world is all made up of energy. So everything, whether it is living being, whether it is non-living thing, everything have its own energy. When there is a thing in front of you which is a negative thing, whether it is a non-living thing, but it is a negative thing, it will impact your life. It will impact your brain.
Brain, of course, brain. Brain.
No, I'm not completed. It will impact your brain. Thing is very important, whether it is a living thing or non-living thing. Think.
Think.
Yes, think.
Think. One.
Think.
Two. Afzal. Oh my God. Dipti is going to get two caps, I think so.
And change your whole life. Like a
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
To give me this wonderful opportunity. So my topic is to talk about thing. So in this world, many things are there. Though something are bad and something are good. But and it is our own thing that where we have to go. If we go wrong thing, so we do wrong things. And if we go right thing,
Right way?
Right way, so we do right thing. But we have to think. Sir, something stuck me.
Me, guys, me. Yes. Me. Of course, me. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry, this is not
Oh
fair.
my God. No. Cameraman, focus karo. Yes.
Guys, a word "me" is very enough for means any battle. For example, you can win only. For example, right now in our India, Prime Minister, only one Prime Minister are serving all the nation, one person. So you should believe on yourself that yes, I am enough for every. For example, we are in Lucknow, guys. We are not with our parents. We are not living with our family. But one thing that we are pushing ourselves that no, we are in Lucknow and we are living alone.
No,
So,
guys.
sir-
This is manipulation. This is manipulation.
Sir-
We are
sir-
living here. No, I'm sorry. Of course. First of all, he talked about Prime Minister. And then he is talking about people, Lucknow, and then we. Where is me?
No, sir, I'm not talking about we. Sir, I'm talking about me.
You are telling a lie now.
No, sir, I'm not.
Conclude.
Let me tell you, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
No,
Okay.
sir, me is enough for everything, sir. Me is everything. You are cap, sir. Let me tell you, sir. Let me tell you. In Lucknow, thousands of the trainers. But cap, sir, no, I am best, and I am the best trainer of Lucknow. Me is very important. Me is very important. That no can complete myself. No, sir. It's my belief, sir.
That
Me,
is I.
sir.
That is not me.
Sir, me. Sir,
Guys, can you motivate?
Sir, me is the meaning of I.
Can you?
Sir, me the meaning of I. No, I have a belief. I have a belief that
You have, excuse me, guys, excuse me. You have to motivate with me. Can you motivate me?
I don't know about the.
Can you motivate with me? Can you motivate?
Sir, you should ask. Sir, you.
I am asking, can you motivate them?
No.
Me, do you know in a word? I want to consider this word in a shortly. Please listen carefully. Me, all the parents, everything do for the child, for me. All my parents do everything for the me. And my parents. Wait, sir. I'm completing. So, defense. It means.
Guys, you have to speak for me.
It means all the parents loves our children. It is the shows the foundation and relation to children, to parents, because everything and do whatever they not, whenever he unable to do, but they try to do for me.
Sir, me is self-belief. Me is self-belief. No, I am enough for everything. You are best. No, sir, you are best. No, sir, me. Let me tell you. You are good speaker, okay? You are speaking well. Judith is a good speaker. But me is a confidence that yes, I am best. Okay? This is my confidence.
End up with the word. You're talking about parents, man? Come on, sit down, please. Yes.
And self-love. Me is a self-love that yes, I love myself. Whatever my skin color is black, but
It's okay.
I love myself.
I love myself.
Okay, I'm a filthy person, but I will love myself.
Filthy person?
Sorry.
Filthy is very negative word.
No. Unhealthy.
Yes. Don't say filthy, okay?
No.
It's
I want to say just bhadda person ke liye.
I'm very weird. I'm very odd.
Awkward.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will love myself. That's.
Yes.
That's it.
All right. All right. Try.
Yes, sir. So it is very important to love yourself, whatever your color is.
Oh my God. Is. Whatever your color is. 1, 2.
Yes. First of all, I define the is. Okay. You know. Okay. Is. Sir, no. Is the symbol of singular helping verb. Singular helping verb. Okay. Okay. Suppose Cap sir is a good man. Is. It shows the is the like a singular. Is shows the it shows the defined. It shows the like person. Who person living things? Who person living? Sir, no. Who person living? Sir, living. Okay. It's. Yes, sir. No. Is the shows the possibility of the to do anything. Like
What is this?
is. Listen. No. Listen.
उल्टा नहीं है.
Sorry, sir. First important is to speak.
Yes,
To speak is. Sir, is a word. For singular person, it is said that it is known by everyone. But it is the sense of positive or in a negative. Sometimes just is it? Is it? No, sir, no. Let me complete.
Yes.
There is. There is.
Explain the word.
Yes.
Wait. Generate
Sir,
your thought.
yes. Some supernatural element surrounded me, and we don't know what is. What is something is.
Wow.
That is important.
Thank you very much. You have been a great contextual talkers of the day today. But tell me, guys, this was the first time that I did these contextual talks. Do you think is it okay to develop or generate the thought?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
I think it's very helpful. The point is that in last night, so many people were texting me, Caps, give me the topic for public speaking. Topic. I thought that the given topic can be spoken by anybody, right? So this contextual debate, I could notice that people were pushing themselves to think the point, this, that. And this is how we could and we can generate our thought of speaking, everybody.
Very useful.
This is like the exercise of our brain.
Exactly. And you know, I also noticed one thing, that nobody was busy in other things. In public speaking, I noticed, like on the stage, someone is speaking, they used to think about, you know, vegetables, barfi or something like that. They were somewhere else. They used to be somewhere else. But today, everybody was here. Last word. So that was a beautiful thing. Thank you very much for making this session successful. I'm just going to keep it up in other batches and of course in other activities in my life. Thank you very much. You have been a great contextual talkers of the day.